One of the biggest worry of developers these days that generative AI is going to replace them. The bad news is that that is largely true, but the good news is that if you are a good developer, then instead of getting scared by Gen AI, you can simply use it to your advantage. Swizzle is one such tool which you can embed in your project to stand out from the crowd. And just to uh, a disclaimer that I'm not associated with Swizzle. There are a lot of other tools which are doing the similar things, but in this video, I'm just going to review this tool Swizzle, which enables you to build your web application, internal tools, decentralized applications, even the whole startup ecosystem within your browser by simply using prompts or using some images. You can even integrate it with your existing repositories or code sources. From there, you can ask questions about your code, validate code, and do a lot of other things. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to sign in with your email address. Just click on sign in at the top and then link it with your GitHub account. You might have to authorize it to use access your GitHub. Once you done that, you will see a screen like this. Let me make it a tad bit bigger. Okay, and I already have attached it to my GitHub account, so you can just call it test project or whatever you want to do it. I'm just going to say test project. Click on create, and then now it is just asking me to um, give me the credit card, which I'm not going to do. Of course, I'll just say start. Nope. Okay, so I'm not going to give it my card. Okay, nothing. Anyway, so that is a bummer. It's not letting me do it. But anyway, let me cancel it and go back to this, and I'll just show you instead, because until and unless you don't know the company, I would highly suggest don't share your credit card. And this is, I think, one of the really worst user experience to start asking for a credit card even before we have a chance to test out your tool in the wild. Anyway, so but still the tool is good. I'm not going to badmouth about the tool. I'm just going to show you a few of the screenshots so you can see that you can simple build your backend. I think it's a backend with the REST endpoints, and then you can increase or include your sockets and all that stuff. Similarly, you can build your React front end, which is quite cool. I think if you are building a chatbot in Python or something, maybe you can use this tool to create a front end, and then you can use this NoSQL MongoDB database as a your data store. I think this is where they should include more options, because there are a lot of other good options than MongoDB. Maybe some cloud database. Anyway, so for the authentication, authorization, it has built-in stuff, which is awesome. And then for the file storage, you have all of these options on the left hand side. And then deployment is fairly easy. It's a one-click deployment with auto scaling enabled, and then you can have multiple environments. And there are a lot of other tools like Coder, where you can edit and tweak your code, or you can use your testing client. It also provides logging, and this is where they can give you the pricing. So for the build one, it is $12 per month. Price is quite low, which is quite good, because in $12 you can have unlimited AI queries, you can have unlimited AI autocomplete, and then few other things. With the deploy one, it is deploying on Google Cloud plus MongoDB serverless. Okay, that is good. Maybe if they could use Firebase, that would be I think nicer. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Now on the build one, I'm not sure what exactly LLM they are using. Just a guess from this right hand side one, that if maybe they are using some Google's own LLMs in the Vertex AI, maybe, who knows. Okay, so this is it, guys. Let me know what do you think. If you know of any other tool, especially a tool which lets you build full stack applications without asking credit card for the trial, let me know and I'll be happy to review it. So verdict for this tool, I don't know. I haven't tested it. Idea is awesome. Idea is great. And I think tools like Swizzle are really going to make it very difficult for developers to, you know, just keep doing what they are currently doing. We have to adapt. We have to reinvent ourselves. So share your thoughts in the comments. Happy to hear them. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.